Consider the sun. It does not shine to gain attention or recognition. It shines because that is its nature. It gives light and warmth freely, asking nothing in return. And yet all life on earth turns towards it, basks in its radiance, and flourishes because of it.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. Let me show you how I created this natural look using the freehand balayage technique. First, let's talk about the lightener. I'm using a 20 volume developer mixed with quick blue lightener. I'll be using 2 scoops, and you want the consistency to be like a cake batter. If you bake, you know exactly what I mean. If not, think of it like melted ice cream. That's the texture you're going for. Now, the most important part, sectioning the hair. This is how I'll create the natural effect and the dimension. I've got 2 upper section, 2 side section that I'll split in 2, and 4 section in the back. The very bottom section will be left untouched to give the illusion of thicker hair. Alright, let's get started. I'm starting with the side section. Since they're so thick, I'll break them in 2 parts. I'm using 2 different brushes, a paint brush I got from the dollar store. This will be used for the thicker section, and then the regular brush for the smaller ones. When I'm applying the lightener, I apply it very lightly onto the hair. I do this so I can avoid blotches, and I angle the brush to give it a natural look. I didn't want the look to be too light, so I used the 20 volume developer. The goal is to lift the hair just enough so it brings out the red undertone rather than going full blonde. That's why I'm keeping the developer on the low side. I wanted more color around my face, so I'll go higher with the lightener in those particular sections, mostly around my face. As you can see, I'm angling it tighter as I go, which helps create that natural effect. For the back, I'm only using lightener half of the section. Because we're not going to see the interior middle part once the other hair falls, there's just no point in lightening the whole thing. You're just wasting product, wasting color, wasting time, you know. Plus, leaving it darker just adds dimension and it helps with that thicker hair illusion. I'll be lightening about half of each section. And to do this quicker, I'll use the paintbrush. I love using the paintbrush. It just gives a nice natural application, especially with big pieces. And I apply the lightener higher on the side of the hair just because the sides will be seen, you know, they're more visible. But I keep it lower in the middle because that will be covered by the other hair. To add more dimension, I'll leave some sections untouched, and as I get closer to the top, I'll thread the section into 3 parts to create a highlight effect. Just like that.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby.
And this is how it's looking so far. What I love about doing the freehand application is that you can see how everything is blending together. Unlike foils, you know, where sometimes you get a surprise if the hair doesn't process as expected, you know, you're like, ugh, gotta go back and do that over. Freehand is just way easier to see your work.
Now your shot clock counting down.
For the last top section, I make sure to connect the lightener with the other sections to create a seamless blend.
I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. I can get every time I think about you, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think.
And there you have it. This is a quick and easy way to apply it. I always go back and do a little touch up where needed.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna
Here's how it looks when the hair is damp.
playing all my.
And voila, the dry results. You can see all the dimension and how it blends together. Once I add the color, it'll all come together seamlessly. For my color, I'm using 8-77 Igora, and I'll be applying it everywhere except the back section, which will remain untouched. When I applied that color on the root of the hair, all of the darker parts, it will have a red undertone that's visible in the light, while the lighter section will pick up different tones of light blonde copper. So when I was done blow drying, I noticed a huge hole in my lace. You know that happens when it's old. So I added some extensions and I did some baby lights in the bangs to blend everything together. And this is the final look. It's beautifully blended and it looks very natural. Because if you're gonna do your hair DIY style, why not take the time to achieve that nice, expensive salon look? I'm all about looking very expensive, economically. If you have a lighter skin tone than mine, I'd recommend using a 30 volume developer for a lighter color. If you have a darker skin tone, go for a deeper copper color. It will complement your skin complexion so beautifully. When I think of like what will work with my skin tone, I always think of the reflection of a sunrise. That's how you'll get the best color match for your skin. Let me know what you think and how this technique worked out for you. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!